Guys, I am so excited. Let me tell you why. I've been spending hours and hours upon sleepless nights and research, compacting an online course just for you. The online course is how to start your business. Yes, a lot of people want to start their business, but they don't know what to do, where to start, where to go. So they've been spending hours on YouTube, seminars, going to the SBA, but you still haven't started. This course takes 3 modules, 12 lessons, compacts all the information into 5 to 10 minute lessons with check-on learnings after each lesson. And at the end, you have a final exam with 30 questions that goes back through all of the modules. We start off with how to name your business, logos, branding, Facebook advertising and marketing, how to obtain an EIN, how to register with your state, how to register with your local counties if you're a service business providing services in different counties. We go through everything on step-by-step guide on how to do this. Like I said, there's over 12 lessons in this course. Right now, for the first 25 participants, since we are just now launching, we want to give it to you for half off. Yes, half off the price. It's usually $199, but we're going to give the first 25 participants $99.99 for the course. Yes, $99.99 for the course. You'll sign up, you'll go online. It's just like a web university online. You go through all the courses, you go through the test, you'll get a certificate of completion, and it's awesome, and you'll be able to start your business.